Hey guys, I hope you can see me okay. Today I just received a package from Amazon, and this is in this package is it's called a ThruNite TT20 tactical dual switch USB-C rechargeable flashlight, and it's got 2,526 lumens with SST70 LED, and this one's a red one. Okay, I ordered the red one, so they want me to review this. So, and I'm not going to lie, I already did open it up because I did have to charge it. It's got a lithium-ion battery in it, and I wanted this thing to be charged up when I put this thing to test for you. So it's nicely packed. We got bubble wrap in here, and then there's a smaller box inside. And this thing's amazing. So it comes in a box like this. Comes with the USB cable, so you can plug it into your USB port. One side plugs into the flashlight, one side plugs into the port. And then there's also instructions with it too. It's packed very nicely. It comes with a case, so we'll take that out. There's the instructions. Read them carefully. These open up, these instructions, and then I'm going to read you exactly what this light has in it here. I'm going to read you the details. There's a carrying strap, goes on the light, and then there's the case. You can put it on your belt, right? Which I'm going to probably do. This thing is this is a badass light, man. Okay, so let's take the light out of here and show it to you. So this light here, it weighs 98, I believe it's 98 grams. This is the red one. It's got a clip for your belt. And then it's got a little cover over the USB port there. This is to plug into your USB port. So to turn it on, there's a little switch on the side. Here, that's low beam. And then on the back, it's so bright. It's insane. I'm going to tell you. I show them this outside the back of our property. It lights up the back of our property. And you know from my videos we have a big piece of property. So I'm going to read you about this light here. I see it's got 4 stars. Okay, that's what they've rated it. And like I say, you can get these in black as well. So the ThruNite TT20 has a max of 256.2 lumens and 258 meter beam distance, and capable of powering round-the-clock duty on hunt, in self-defense situations, or other extreme environments. Self-defense situations, well, it's pretty heavy. I guess you could kind of use it as brass knuckles. You could pop somebody on the noggin with it. So yeah, it's a durable little thing. It's very sturdy. It's definitely built well. Tactical dual switch. Okay. And the tactical dual switch is on the side right here. And whoops, let me turn that off. And it's got a little blue light on it when it comes on. So that's on right now. Now it's off. And long press the side switch to activate the stepless dimming. Okay. This allows you to adjust the light to the exact level you need. Single click the tactical tail switch light to access the turbo mode directly to keep you safe when in dangerous situations. So the back, it's just, oh man, it's so bright, it's insane. So this is an LED light. I'm impressed already with this thing. All right, a high capacity battery. The TT20 is powered by high capacity 5000 mAh battery included. Being that it's slightly larger in size, will also provide more energy, power, and runtime than a normal battery. This is a beautiful little flashlight. I'm impressed. I like the color too. Usually I go for black, but I decided to go red. USB-C fast charging, built-in Type-C charging port. USB-C cable offers more compatibility and faster charging power. Indicator blue 21%, red 11 to 20%, and flashing red 10%. So right now I just hooked it up to the charge, so it's 21% when you see the blue in there, which is that's very smart to have that on there. Versatile modes: lockout mode prevents accidental activation, extends battery life. A dual direction clip provides easy access for everyday tasks. And there are more product details. You can find these on Amazon. Okay, the price, I think it's worth it. I mean, nothing's cheap these days. Well, you'll see it on Amazon. I think they run around this one here. That's the Baton 3. These ones here, well, let's just scroll up and we'll tell you. This one here says $89.95. All right, so that's the ThruNite. When you're on Amazon looking for this, the ThruNite TT20 tactical dual switch USB-C rechargeable flashlight, and with SST70 LED right there. So, well, we could go down to the back and test it out, but I'm going to do other videos of this, maybe just testing it out. Well, let's see. No, let's go down. Let's go down and test it out. Okay, so follow me. My videos are raw and unedited. This is going to be a long video, and we're going to go test this out into the back and show you how powerful it is. Okay, here we go. We got we got something on in there. There we go. Okay, so we're out the back door here. Okay, so see the back of the property. You're not seeing anything. Watch this. Isn't that insane? Look at that. That's 300. Right now I'm shining it about 360 feet away, something like that. All right, guys? And now I'm going to go show you how to plug this thing in to charge it, all right? So here we go. Follow me. Follow the flashlight. Let's use the flashlight to get down our hall. Look at that. It's like I have the lights on in the house. This thing's brilliant. So to plug it in, you just take it to the USB port like this, turn that off, turn that off. So we have this here. It actually generates heat, it's amazing. The end of it when the light's on. So you plug that in there like so. Okay, plugged in like that, turn that off like this, and then you just plug it into the computer. And let me just, let me do this for you and I'll show you. Okay, so there you go. Just like that. And that is an amazing light. So look for that on Amazon. Okay. It is, and I'm going to tell you one more time. Let's just flick this up here. Remember, my videos are raw and unedited, folks. And I thanks for you sending me this light to try out right there. Right there, that's what you're looking for. And there's the red one on there right there. All right? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here, and I'm going to give this one a 5 out of 5. See, we've got a 4 out of 5. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. All right, so that is on Amazon, and I'm on Amazon.ca right now. All right, thanks again, guys. Cheers to you. Get one of these for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Cheers.